Hi guys, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to customize the Blender user interface. When you launch Blender, what you see is basically two things. A top viewport with three elements, which is a cube, a light, and a camera. And in the lower part you have the different panels, which are, well, the different Blender options: shading for materials, editing functions, rendering options, etc. So what we're going to do is change it into looking into a more 3D package look, like 3ds Max, a more traditional user interface. So let's begin by right-clicking on the cube, delete it, hit delete, do the same with the light, and also right-click on the camera and delete it. Very good. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to merge the top viewport with the panel, the lower panel. Okay, so bring your pointer to this horizontal line where it becomes two arrows. When you have the two arrows icon, middle mouse click on it and you will have three options: split area, join area, or no header. In this case we want to join the two areas, so click on join area, and if you move your mouse up and down, it will show you in which direction it's going to merge. So we want the top viewport to merge down, so bring it down and click. So now our top viewport is taking all the space. Next thing, we're going to do the same. Bring your pointer down over here where it becomes two arrows and middle mouse click. But now instead of saying join area, we're going to split it. When you hit split, you'll have a vertical line, so you can move it. So place it where you want to split the area and click. Okay, so right now we have two top viewports. So we're going to change this viewport by clicking here. So click here and tell it to become a buttons window. Very good. So this buttons window is going to become our new panels for everything: rendering, materials, editing, and everything. But right click on the gray area here and change it from horizontal to vertical. Okay, so we have the same panels we used to have before, but now they're here. You see, shading, editing, rendering, etc. Okay, now bring your pointer to the edge over here where it becomes again two arrows, and middle mouse click again and do another split. Move your mouse to where you want it to be, and click. Do another split here, middle mouse, split area. Do another split here. Very good. And there you go. We have four viewports, but all the four of them right now are top viewports. So we have to change it. Go to view. If we want to resemble 3ds Max, this will have to be a top viewport, front, side, and perspective view. So change this one. Well, this is going to be top. Now go to view here and change it to front. Go to view here and change it to side, and same here, but change it to perspective. Now in the perspective view, in your numpad key with the 8 and 2 numbers, which correspond to up and down arrow, using the 2 key, orbit it until you have a nice perspective feeling. Okay, hit Control U, tell it to save user defaults, and now every time that you launch Blender, instead of having just one big top viewport, you will have your 4 viewport layout. One last thing I like to change is I come here to these menus, right click on them and tell them to go to the top. Same here, to the top. So I have these two on top and these two on the bottom part, and I like to bring the panels to the top as well. So right click here and tell it to go to the top. Control U again. Very good. And there you go, your user interface similar to 3ds Max's. Okay, so hope you find this tutorial useful, and see you guys around for another one. Take care. Bye bye.